Hello everyone, this is Igresh and I warmly welcome you all to the Igresh world. I'm just telling about my friend actually. What to tell about him I really don't know, but he has completed 12 years something, almost more than that, and still I'm keeping such things with me and I'm very stupid I would say, but what I do, I'm very like, my heart is very soft I think, very sensitive. So this is what actually that I'm crazy, I think I'm insane, but yeah, now I think time's to like close this file and I just want to over the everything, I don't wanna go with this luggage. And because see, if you want to fly in the sky, then like अगर आपके पास weight होगा तो I don't think so you can fly, the long, yeah, as much as you can high, yeah. So this is what I believe. So of course कि कुछ luggage है मैं अपने इधर ही छोड़ देना चाहता हूँ and मेरी चीज़ें मैं कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ, but yes, this is crazy things that, and you understand, like can you see here, I wrote here R, of course that guy name, and I designed inside the R because मुझे मेहंदी का भी शौक था, मुझे पेंटिंग का भी शौक है बड़ा. So this is what I did when he was far away, and there was no connection between both us. So I was just missing him. I was just doing something, it's like a kind of like stupidity I would say, but I think those moments were also very very great, and I think that's why I'm standing here and I'm very very like what say feel good. I don't have any regret actually, because as per my understanding, as per my capacity, I did well, to save that relationship, but that guy has no understanding enough actually, maybe I mean, what to say about him, I really don't want to tell anything, but some people are very arrogant I would say. They are thinking that we are thinking, no one in this world like me like this, so okay, that is their problem, what we can do. But see, मैं तो हमेशा लेके नहीं जा सकता मेरी चीज़ें, तो मेरी ओर से तो मुझे क्लोज करना है ये सारी चीज़ें, तो I'm just here to close this thing also. So yeah, sorry, मुझे कोई नाराज़गी तो है नहीं उससे, but I just want to close this thing because this real so this is the life, and I just wanna tell one thing, guys, please don't think too much, because कुछ लीक हो गए तो मुझे दर्द होगा. It's over, everything over now. Oh, bye bye.